What is satisfaction theory? Satisfaction theory is a psychological theory that explains the factors that contribute to an individual's satisfaction or dissatisfaction with their life. It posits that satisfaction is based on the perceived discrepancy between one's current level of success or attainment and one's desired level of success or attainment. According to this theory, people experience greater satisfaction when they perceive that they are making progress towards their goals and feel that they are capable of achieving them. The satisfaction theory is often applied to areas such as work, education, and relationships. In the workplace, job satisfaction is often influenced by the degree to which employees feel that their work is meaningful, challenging, and provides opportunities for growth and development. If an employee perceives that their work is not aligned with their values, skills, or aspirations, they may experience dissatisfaction and decreased motivation. In education, satisfaction is often related to students' perceived level of academic achievement, as well as their level of engagement and interest in their coursework. If students feel that their coursework is too easy or too difficult, or if they feel that they are not making progress towards their academic goals, they may experience dissatisfaction and decreased motivation. In relationships, satisfaction is often based on the degree to which individuals feel that their needs for intimacy, companionship, and support are being met. If an individual perceives that their relationship is not providing them with the level of emotional and social support that they desire, they may experience dissatisfaction and a decreased sense of well-being. There are several factors that can influence an individual's perception of their level of success or attainment, and therefore their level of satisfaction. These factors include personality traits, such as optimism and self-esteem, as well as environmental and social factors, such as access to resources and social support. One important aspect of satisfaction theory is the concept of flow, which was developed by psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. Flow refers to a state of consciousness in which individuals are fully absorbed and engaged in an activity, experiencing a sense of energized focus, full involvement, and enjoyment. Flow is often associated with feelings of satisfaction and well-being, as individuals feel a sense of mastery and achievement when they are in this state. In order to promote satisfaction and well-being, it is important for individuals to set goals that are aligned with their values, interests, and abilities. This can involve identifying one's strengths and weaknesses, as well as exploring different options for achieving one's goals. It is also important to cultivate social support and positive relationships, as well as engage in activities that promote feelings of flow and engagement. As we can see, satisfaction theory is an important area of study in psychology, as it helps us to understand the factors that contribute to individuals' sense of well-being and fulfillment. By identifying the factors that influence satisfaction and developing strategies to promote satisfaction and well-being, we can help individuals to lead more fulfilling and satisfying lives.